A or C, anonymous. Anomalous. I can't speak. Okay.
Yeah, we know.
Can I do this? The
Sure.
following is classified footage designated A blah blah. Subject Grace Chen, age 12. Missing person last seen June 27th, 1996 at Xavier Crystal. Blah.
Read faster, fool.
Subject Robert Chen, age 18. Missing person last seen redacted. The following footage was recovered from Robert Chen's personal Viewmaster HV550 handheld camcorder.
Oh, I'm Robert Chen. Nice.
You're Robert Chen.
Let's go.
Wait, that's kind of funny
Okay, it's
after what we said last.
Now, how do you want
Anyways.
this thing?
Shut up.
Sorry.
Okay, right to zoom camera. Right mouse button. Oh.
Bro's learning how to use his camera.
Robert Chen has no time for that. He's a man of action.
Basically, schools are closed.
Oh. Is this how he's walking around?
Nobody hears
Yo,
this.
those legs are crazy. Bro, he's the horror monster. Fucking, I don't like the. Yeah. You want to play content warning?
No.
I'm gonna be real, dude. Our sister can stay here. I'm not doing this shit. Yeah, that's the type of that shuts on its own.
Ooh, spooky.
Oh, generating level. It's okay. All right. Procedurally generated.
So is it like random?
Yeah, it looks like it. Fun.
Can't cheat. Sad.
It looks like it.
I gotta say, so far the most unnatural thing is us, the player.
Yeah.
Wait.
Shut up.
Editor,
Oh.
put a monkey orange suit in front of the screen, please.
Oh, this is not a good room. Just leave. Just leave.
Yeah, you leave and
Oh,
then it's
Rosie
right behind
running.
you.
Wait, are any
You
of
put
the
a monkey
lockers
on your wrist.
Oh my god!
Bro can't even open the door.
I should have killed us.
I didn't even get jump scared.
Wait, you came out of nowhere. You could have hit the. Well, I guess that was already probably.
Bro, literally.
Nah, why would you walk up to it?
That is nasty.
Bro, literally scared me off my ass. Like,
Rize,
literally-
Wait,
look at your skin for me.
I'm Chinese, bro.
No, your actual skin. But what colors?
I'm invisible. I have my blue jeans and that's it.
No, I mean like actual skin.
Actual skin, I'm like 90% sure I'm like pale Chinese, whatever. Oh, hey, there's Jack.
This should open the janitor's closet.
Hmm. Why is this room
It's
in
gonna
the
chase
school?
you. Shut that door. Barricade that door. It's gonna leave and chase. Well, it's already gone, but
Is that like a nurse office?
just go in the locker or something. Don't look behind you.
Did you hear that?
You might just have to find a locker. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo,
is
editor,
that?
add boss music in a health bar every
Wait, is
time
there
he walks
something
past
there, or
them.
am I imagining that?
It's
They'll put boss
Oh,
music in.
it's
Man, get your ass over here, bro. Oh, shit.
Oh, that is completely
Oh
different.
my god, of course she's right in front of the janitor closet. Wait, you have to try and lead her away. So
Oh.
that's a bit too quick.
Ah,
That's a bit too quick. Wait, don't. That's nasty. That is.
I see. That's why I turned around and you died.
That is so nasty. No, don't get too close.
I'm not playing these games.
Wait,
Bro didn't close the door all the way.
stop. Get fucked.
But she
bitch.
knows how to open the door.
I don't think they
This
can
needs a
yet.
key.
Where's it going? Where's it going? Oh my god, we're locked. Okay, no.
Hey, hey, get fucked by those. What am I looking for in here?
I don't know.
I swear there's gotta be something in here.
What?
Wait,
Hmm.
wait,
Oh,
battery.
flashlight. Let's
Another
go.
key, another key.
I wonder what this is for.
I wonder what this is for.
It's a fucking key.
She's autistic.
There
We
we
should
go.
lead her into the middle of this room. Let them do it. Wait, open that locker. Wait, one of the lockers open. It might have another battery in there.
Hang on, hang on, hang on.
Have a
Right.
seat.
Yeah.
Yo, there's a fucking out.
Oh,
Wait,
I
wait.
wonder if that key fits this.
bro,
Shut up, dude. What the hell?
Bro,
hurry up!
Shut the door, shut the door.
Nice.
I don't feel like we're making progress either, but you know, I ain't complaining.
We're in the second room.
Libraries?
Oh, shh.
This is the worst place to not get killed in.
Wait, what is that?
Oh no. Oh, you have to be quiet.
Oh, it's not that deep. Nothing happened.
What is that?
Run.
Reese, run!
He-
Reese, run!
You're
Reese,
supposed to be
run!
quiet. Yo, fight back.
Damn, okay, wait. I know
Get
what's
up.
happening.
Yeah, he's fine.
Are you serious? Are you serious?
Wait, Reese, leave! Reese, don't get hit by it. Okay, you know, maybe it is picking up
Bro
our
stares at a red balloon thinking it's not gonna do anything to him.
I didn't know it was gonna hone in.
Reezy, just shut up. Break his ankles. Oh my. Yo, that balloon would have fucked you
The
over.
balloon's chasing.
Bro controls balloons. Is he just a giant ear?
I think so.
Yeah, he is.
Hey, buddy, I told you to not talk.
Wait, glass, careful.
Or why are you whispering? They can't hear us.
It can. It might be.
No, it's just Rize going and Zen.
No, my microphone is
No,
literally sliding.
I think it is. I literally saw it just pick you up.
This dumbass. You're so stupid. You're so
Oh, it's. We got.
Return file.
Oh,
yeah.
return 5 books. See, that's what I was
It
talking about.
is.
Oh, that's a whoopee cushion. Okay, so we need to find a key and 5 books. Damn it! I swear we got like 3 books in one run. Yeah, that was so close. Where is he? Wait, look around. Oh, he's probably on the left side in one of those rooms.
He's down there.
Break his ankles. Break his ankles. Ooh. Weave.
No, the glass was there.
Ooh. Oh, you good? He can't keep up with you.
Oh my god. Leave. I'm gonna lose you.
That's why you're on the track team, bro. Keep it going.
He's right behind you. He's on your tail.
No, he's not. We're on his tail and he ruined it.
No. Bro, was gonna try the egg timer. That's crazy. Oh. Wait, it worked! No way! Wait, you're a genius! Oh my god. That was smart. Oh my god, another glow stick.
Damn, I had to leave Baldur's Gate just to download Kingdom Hearts.
Oh, that is so ugly. Shoot. Oh, Ender's glass. Oh, please.
God damn it, Jose.
Where'd you go? Drop a book, drop a book.
That'll make noise though.
Oh, okay. Never mind. Balloon, please. An old book. Make sure it's no, not keep geography. No, why would you? We need geography. Bro, we need geography. Russian dictionary? Can you pick up geography? Rize, pick up geography. That's the book we need. We need to get rid of the old book. Please. Yes, old red book. Get rid of that one. Old red one. Yes. Now pick up geography.
Oh.
That's definitely okay. Leave.
I'm gonna kill myself. Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
We were so close.
Little bastard, that guy. Alright.
Hey,
okay.
wait, what were you gonna
Also,
say?
Rize.
Rize's glass.
Oh, that was not a nice room. Did you just step over the whoopee cushion?
He's right behind them. His ankles?
Drop as many as you can quickly and then leave.
Bro takes his sweet ass time.
Hide. Hide.
Fuck, run!
No!
Run! Right into the wall.
Don't shout, he's gonna make noise.
Oh. You ran into the wall.
Just don't risk it, just stay there.
I think it's just a slide.
There is no door. Wait.
I think it's a slide board.
Oh my god!
This is. Oh no! These floors are terrible.
Yum!
I really just eat some
Yummy.
battery.
Eating bread. Oh yeah, the floors are squeaky. Okay, that's not. Come on, we're so close. Oh,
Bro broke the door.
bro, literally broke the door open.
Alright, you can speak now.
Easy. GG, no re. Oh, okay.
GG. This took us like what, 4 runs?
Not bad, honestly.
Yeah, okay, that's fair.
It's all fun and games until
I
you
should've
like
Have fun
die.
editing that though. Editor, of course. Okay, the bathroom. Okay, bro, really just come running for it, okay?
Nice.
Okay, it's dark. This is okay. Wait, how many glow sticks do you have? Oh no,
Bro,
it took
Bro
away.
wasted a glow stick.
Oh, we should have hoarded the batteries and used the glow stick. That's crazy. Okay, it's fine. Oh, Barry, on the sink, on the sink.
Damn, you got eyes for batteries.
Oh, Barry.
He eats batteries, I'm not surprised.
We're so dead. We just started and we're so dead. Oh. That's totally not going to be... Oh. Oh, parkour.
Why is this a good idea for a
Awesome.
school?
Oh, I know. We need to rise the water level.
Or
Okay.
better idea.
He said,
Use your fucking arms.
I've got plenty of bat.
Okay. Wait, do you hear that?
You say, I can't see it. That makes it even worse.
Wait, I hear it. Hello?
Nah, what the fuck is that?
What is that? Where is it?
Oh shit!
You know, we need to raise the water levels, right? What if I just turn everything on? Oh, hey, nice.
Oh, darn. Yeah, we need to. No, I don't think that will work.
It
And
should
you're
work.
making a lot of noise.
It'll just take like a couple hours.
There's gotta be like some sort of level, scale, whatever that can turn.
I
That's
think you
not.
would
That's
need
a
to block the
monster.
drain.
That's not a sink, is it? That was the monster. Oh, where is it?
Right
King
behind me.
Kong?
Right. How do I get the water levels up? That's the question.
We have to find somewhere where you can like, literally like just turn whatever level, whatever to raise the waters. Basically, we need to explore.
He's gonna run into him again.
Hey, where is he? Oh, I can't
Elbows
believe
up.
you escaped.
I mean, he probably smells like salt and vinegar.
God damn. Open the fucking thing. Brother, that's not. That does not help me.
Yeah, and like fix.
Just makes him run forward.
He's too distracted with the thingies if he.
Oh, so he can't hear. Okay, you know what? Also, your flashlight isn't on, is it?
Not right now.
Okay.
If it is, that's a weak
I'm
ass
supposed to
one.
analyze it.
Hey, bro, why your mic going crazy at the top right?
That is so disgusting and ugly.
Bro, just turn off with his feet.
The water level, whatever, will like decrease it. There's usually a I
No
can't be
way.
bothered. Oh my goodness.
You say? You chose to turn on the
Anyway,
loudest thing possible.
Some bullshit.
hey, listen, bro needed to clean his hands, dry his hands, actually. 500 likes and then I'll drink toilet water.
Bitch, we're barely getting
Nah,
500
don't do
views.
that.
We haven't even got 500 views yet, bro. Come on.
I know.
No. You didn't specify on this video, on any video.
No.
Yeah. Okay, well,
You know what, this is
fine.
why
But
I'm your biggest hater.
one day, I'm just gonna redirect everyone back to this video.
Absolutely not. I'm not
2
drinking
billion
toilet
likes
water.
onto a
I take it.
backflip.
Oh,
Oh, no, there is. See?
interesting.
I don't even drink toilet water. Let's go. Oh, that makes me so. Wait, aren't you meant to raise it, not decrease it?
I don't know, but he heard it.
Wait, it's definitely constantly rising. You have to find it quickly.
Oh.
It's going above the sink now. You have to find it before you drown.
You know, me personally, I'd be like, and have like grappling hooks on the
Where
best.
the
Is it actually? I can't. Actually, no. Yeah, it is definitely still rising. Before it didn't go over the sink, so it's
Nope.
going over
Okay,
the sink
alright, bro.
now.
Oh my
Just-
god! Oh no!
You fumbled, but wait.
Oh,
Oh my god, he can't go through.
you are ass, bro. That's crazy. Ah,
Yo,
must
open
suck
the
the
fucking
suck.
elevator.
You just go in. Don't tease him. Also, I don't think it
sad?
is still rising.
Is that
actually,
sad?
in my opinion.
Is that sad? Huh?
Get in the
Just
elevator.
go in! No!
He's a little
Go
idiot.
in!
Listen, he's
Oh!
too fat. He can't get between those bars.
That is not.
He's, I
I'm
swear to
sure.
God,
I
get in the
got half a
elevator.
man to run down there and stare at his face.
Bro, can you please just go in? He's gonna break it down.
Yeah, what's he gonna do? What's he gonna do? I will go right up to him. I'll go up to him right now.
Bro, you are
No,
wasting my
please,
time.
please. I'm just going to the next level, please.
Alright, bro, you guys are boring. You know what?
I swear to
I'm gonna
God, I will leave this video
I'm gonna
if you do
sit
this.
here. I'm gonna go take a piss in real life, and he's not gonna do shit.
Are you
He's
kidding
gonna
me?
sit there and he's not gonna do
Pee
shit.
now?
I'll be right back. Here's a piss break. I can put on some
Oh my
elevator
God.
music, and when I come back, he'll still be sitting there like a little bitch. I didn't hide from anyone. I stared him right in the face. Oh shit!
you didn't get close
hide.
enough.
Hello?
I wanna
Yeah,
hide.
no.
I wanna hide.
Run
bathroom
face
I wanna hide.
Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead and run in there, buddy.
What the fuck?
A dark room?
The other room was dark enough.
Bro's running out of school things.
I know for a fact this is gonna be the one where if I put lights on.
Sorry, an Ari.
Yo,
What the fuck
That's
was
crazy.
that? What the fuck?
Wait,
if it's... I don't see anything.
Who?
I don't see anything. It's just turned blue. Wait, I hear it.
The hash slasher. You good, dog?
Yeah. I knew I saw something, bro. I swear. I saw.
I was thinking, I was like, what are you talking?
No, I saw the
It's
shadow
like
in
it
front
turned
of the
blue.
door as the lights went off. Okay, so what the?
Ain't a bunch of
I
edits
already-
going on what she
I already
says.
died, and I don't even know what I'm supposed to do in this map yet.
Wait, what is that?
the fuck?
Oh,
Punch the
slide.
face.
Shit.
No way.
Fried. I need to cut the power off something.
If I jump in there, you think
Okay,
I'll
so
die?
let's cut the power off. You're gonna die. Come on.
Okay, so
listen.
cut the power. Cool.
To be fair,
Cut the power.
just
The lights are gonna go, bruh.
Oh, cut the power.
me personally,
Oh,
I would have just went for it.
Just go back.
Ah!
Take it out, G.
Oh, it's over. I'm finished. Wallahi, I'm finished.
Wait,
You gotta go on your own terms, bro. Jump in.
wait.
He can't be in here. He's
No.
not allowed.
He can't come in here. Yeah, last time the thing.
He's a giant head. Of course he's not gonna get it.
Oh no.
Wait, did he? Even
Oh,
have...
yeah. Go ahead and jump in, buddy.
No,
He
no,
can't get
it's
in.
fine. Can't get in.
I'm
Wait,
finished.
but if he...
I'm finished.
Never mind. He can get in. Just die.
Bro saw the door open, just jumped in the water.
No, wait, but for real, how are you meant to escape that thing?
Well, that's a good question. I guess.
Punch it in the face.
Because it clearly, like, the door isn't. You can't just
Oh.
lock it.
Well, that's convenient.
Holy shit. If I step in there, I'll get
Yo, this might be the perfect run.
cut the power off.
I haven't even figured out how to run from it yet, bro.
We do.
Yeah, I
Yeah,
was
we
gonna
don't even know how to
say,
escape.
this is
the
perfect.
thing.
We knew what the fuck we were doing.
Yeah.
Oh, it was there. Was it
you
there?
saw that, right?
I saw. No, it was just.
That should be fine. I just need to keep moving, and hopefully he should be too preoccupied with turning the lights off.
Oh, is that what it's doing? Turning all the lights off?
Oh,
We broke the
What?
door,
Did
buddy.
you just?
guess I'm that guy.
Yeah, all I did was just laugh at Rize being
Ah!
scared.
Wait, it's fine. Just run. We'll figure out how. Now, okay.
Bro, shut He just
Bro
opened
hates
doors.
this face.
Yo, that's...
He does
I got
not
set
like this.
up.
You're done,
I
buddy.
got set up. I got set up. I'm so finished.
Wait, is it there still?
If he turns the corner, you're done for.
Oh,
Wait,
God,
so is
why
it
are
a
you
movie?
calling me? Oh no! Oh, I'm so
It probably is a
finished!
moving head.
I'm
Oh shit!
finished!
Rize fell out of shape. That's crazy.
I can't even think. Wait, look at the poster really quick.
What poster, brother? I'm fighting for my life.
Oh, wait, no, I thought maybe it would have like given a clue to.
Yeah, you need to listen.
Listen to something
Or
that
whatever
turns
that
off the
board
lights,
said.
alright, bro.
She's definitely
Oh
dead.
my god!
Oh,
You gotta turn around.
I'm.
Oh
Bro.
my, just.
Wallahi, I'm
Oh,
finished.
no.
Yeah, no.
What? Where's the door?
Oh, wait, it can open doors.
Ooh.
We
It's just a
have
floating face, dog.
an ugly floating face.
I'll be killed by ugly. That's
Look
crazy.
at it.
It's gonna.
Not bad.
It's waiting for you around the corner, buddy.
Nah, I'm waiting for
No,
him.
it's not.
Oh shit, he's in here. No, he's in here. He's in here. He's in here.
Oh.
You can see. Look, the
Where?
light's dilated. It's blue.
I
Oh,
was
yeah.
waiting for you to pull
Yeah.
up. Oh yeah,
I'm
no,
running.
it's
I'm
over,
running. I'm
buddy.
running. Ah! What the fuck?
No,
I'm
wait.
getting jumped.
Oh, it's a tag team. You're done for.
Woo!
Run. What? Close the door, you dumbass.
What the fuck is this?
Nothing.
Whoa! I'm out of batteries. Please.
Oh,
Wait, this thing.
I can't believe that this face called the
I
child.
can't believe the little
Oh.
girl is here as well.
Let's
You're a
go.
genius.
I just ran, bro.
Bro,
I
he's just
ran
been
for
running
my
around.
life.
What do you mean he's a genius?
I ran for my life.
Let him have it.
Power.
Which way did I go?
No, here.
I shouldn't close the doors.
Yo, be careful about that door. The child's probably waiting there.
You should be able to hear her laugh.
Oh no.
Just run, just run. Go back, go back, go back.
Oh, I told you. What did I say? What did I say?
Ooh. Ah!
It's so fast.
Where is he?
Oh.
Ah! I'm running from a child. Push. Oh, where?
Bro, try to stop.
Oh my god!
Reese, take us
Oh
something. Take us
my
something. Oh no
Help
way!
me!
You're going our way. Keep going.
That's the
No way, that's the
elevator.
elevator. No,
Wait, where was it though? I don't remember where it was.
it shouldn't be.
I'm finished.
Just go
Oh.
back.
It's Jova.
No, it's
Oh!
no. You gotta speed run. She broke the door down.
Just go back to the
Ah!
elevator. Okay, nice.
Weave it.
I'm so finished. Whoa! Help!
Where are we?
I can't see. Oh shit!
Oh shit.
Some bullshit, bro. Okay, I need to remember where.
Yo,
I'm going.
editor. Remember him saying he's him? Didn't show this part. It's waiting for you around the corner, buddy.
Nah, I'm waiting for him.
It's not.
Ah!
Cut the power. But that means all the lights are gonna be off.
No, where am I going?
It doesn't matter. The lights will never.
Okay, I need to reload one more time.
Okay, Riza, you got this. It's fine.
I'm so finished.
You know what? To be fair, no. Listen, the guy so far has like the little face thing has been somewhat easily escapable. It's the little girl I think you should be worried about.
Yeah, especially when
Just-
he blinds me, so I cannot like see her.
Don't go this way. Don't go this way. Okay.
Wait, that's the elevator. Yeah.
So which way was
No,
it?
the elevator isn't there anymore.
Oh.
Is it this way? I don't know, bro. Is it here? It was.
Wait, is
it
it
was. It was.
Just go, 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 go.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Ah, nice one.
Oh, this is nice.
Friend.
Oh my god, it's so cute. Wait, it's
What's
so cute. We have to name him. Wait, let me see. Okay, he looks like a Johnny.
Edward?
I don't know what Johnny is, but no.
His name is Edward.
Friend? Question mark. Oh, he's so cute. I'll be your friend.
This is making my shit run at 2 miles an hour.
I know this lag is
Turn around,
crazy.
turn around, turn around. Yeah, that shit is. Oh!
Hello? Wait, what?
Bro, got sniped by water.
You know, apart from the lag, what a nice place. Hang on, let me check how my recording's going.
Honestly, the pool is. What is
Where's
that
that
in
thing on the
corner?
right?
I was gonna say.
That thing's moving.
It's a duck. Wait, it's a rubber duck. I think.
Okay, yeah, we're good.
Let's ride it. Ride the rubber duck.
That duck might be alive.
Can you pick it up? You can throw it.
Why'd the music do that?
Wait, is there anything here?
Kobe. Oh, hey, let's go. Next level.
Wait, there's no way we actually just. Hello?
Rest in peace.
You good, bro? Ooh. That. That's gonna. Can you not? Rize, stop. Rize, no.
Well,
Oh, there's something to your right. Something to your right. I swear I saw a shadow of something.
Probably your friend.
Did you
I
see
know
that?
he's here.
No. I swear I saw something coming down.
no, I think that's just a render issue. Should be fine.
No,
Yeah, maybe
I
you're just
swear.
weird.
No, I swear to you, I saw a shadow.
What the fuck?
Did you see that? Did you see that? I
What
saw
the
that.
fuck? What the
There's
fuck?
something there. Don't
It's
run up to
literally your
it.
friend.
What is
It's literally your
that?
friend, Arya.
Oh my god, it's
Oh!
a friend!
Ah!
What should we name friend?
Fred.
No, he needs a name.
Yeah,
You know
Fred.
what he is? He's
Looks
gone.
like what? Yeah, because he's trying to lead you somewhere.
Fucking asshole. I see you. You have
He's
legs.
there! Okay, I think.
Oh!
Yeah, friend my ass. He just ratted us out.
Oh, it's long!
Wow!
You can look. Yo, so bro's not gonna help us?
Who?
Oh, he just dipped on us. Alright, fair enough.
Let me out. What the fuck?
Ooh,
What the f...
I was about to say it was a bit of a vibe, but
It's a vibe, it's a vibe. What is going on in your mouth, bro? Damn!
the code
Mystery,
entries.
malicious entity. Oh, it is SCP.
Wait, does it have info on that?
Yes, we just been winging it this whole time.
Wait, let me see the face one.
Oh yeah, there it is. Footage of
I'm
708. Wait, hang on.
Entity 708 manifest as. Oh,
Sorry, I just
okay.
want to check if I'm not being jumped.
Oh, yeah, fair enough.
Mm.
Okay, what's the highlight? Its physical form is notably serpent-like, with a significant deviation being its head, which disturbingly resembles a human face. Okay, inability to recognize static objects or individuals as potential prey, thereby ignoring anything that does not move. Immediate stillness is advised. Outrunning it is impractical. Okay. So we have to. Oh, that's probably why you want to go underwater as well.
Wait,
It's
a
just
peculiar
stay
aspect of
still
its
and go
senses is
underwater.
in its ability to recognize static objects or individuals. Wait, so if I stay completely still, will it ignore me?
You have to stay still. You can't. Yeah, but I think you also want to maybe go underwater because if it it's like leaving and moving
But
around. If it bumps
if I
into
go
you, it'll
underwater,
probably.
then I get insta killed because I'm not allowed to look.
Yeah, but close your eyes. Oh
I
wait,
don't
you
have the
know how
option to
close
close
your
my
eyes.
Bro said close your
I-
eyes.
Yeah, wait, I thought maybe there was close your eyes.
when a
Okay,
target
never
is
mind, you
apparent
just have
entity
to
that
stay
employs a
still.
constriction. Okay, so it's a giant fucking anaconda snake with a head. Cool. Immediate
Yeah.
stillness.
Wait, go to back. Wait, go to scroll left.
Give me
I
a
want
second.
to see the one that was in the room
motion-based
before,
perceptions
just-
can be deceived by a lack of movement. If escape is secreted, remain immobile due to the outrunning is impractical. Yeah, I just realized that. Though I did break its ankles a couple of times, which never worked out for the long term because he didn't have ankles. So
Next, you're gonna tell me people wear glasses not to see that as a fashion statement. Don't stay.
Yeah.
Move. Stop. Stay still. Don't move.
he's stuck.
Oh no! Don't. Stay still.
Give it a second. Give it a second. Give it a second. It won't recognize me. It won't recognize. Please don't recognize me. It won't recognize me.
Don't.
It worked. It worked.
Oh my god! It actually worked.
No. No. No.
Don't
no.
speak. Don't say anything. You're moving your mouth. Okay, I think you also need to be quiet.
Motherfucker, it doesn't have ears. Alright, so kind of the same as before, but also a little different because now we're doing it solo. So obviously we can't get through that, meaning we have to find a different way. I am loud. You know, if it weren't for the fact that there was a giant serpentine monster flying around these hallways, it wouldn't be that bad. I might actually rather enjoy it, in fact. Unfortunately, that's not the case. Nice. Very nice. Love to see it. But the question is, I have like 5 of those already. So what exactly do I gain? Alright then. Whatever. It'd be like that. 4 timers. 3? What is... Wait. Does the 8 ball tell me... 7? Why is it 7? It was 3 before. Why is it 7? Okay. Holy shit. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Damn. What is that? What? I'm gonna just keep shaking. What? That's the toilet monster. What is he doing here? Hang on. There's no way. 17? Bro. Nah, this is some bull. Actually bullshit. What? Okay, so that opens the doors, but the vapors are still there. I should shut up so they go away, actually. Right, so... What? Do you want the timer? Oh! No, no. Pick it up. Clearly that didn't work. Take the 8 ball. Alright, still 17. What? 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 What is that supposed to do exactly, huh? I feel like this is gonna blow up. What is? What exactly? Oh wait, my bad. It was moon. Wait, what the? What? What? Waterproof camcorder case? Is that how it works? You put broken goggles in a microwave, you get a waterproof camera recorder instead. What the? This is some bullshit. No, I'm trapped. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. I'm trapped. Get this bitch off me. Oh, wallahi, I'm finished. No. What? Yo, this setup is crazy. Just make it around the corner. No! Shit. Okay. Ah. The gangbang is crazy. Oh. Codex entry. Are you kidding me? When I asked for a level 3 carry, you could have just said no. This is useless to us. Appears docile, have a cume content, shift in mood. As the entity, it will change shape until it become hostile. Deceive potential prey, physical, resistant to high bullet calibers. Or temps secondary with danger and loss of life. Oh dear. Come on, come on, come on. I think I made it. Lads, I think I made it. Okay. Slap this thing on. I think I made it. Man. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Holy shit, that took a lot out of me. But good lord, I think that was just a lot of luck on that last part, because that was just very lucky in terms of level generation. Oh boy. Alright. Okay, new levels coming soon. Thank you for playing. Be sure to try custom mode for an even bigger challenge. Maybe. I don't know what could be a bigger challenge than that. My ass was getting jumped left, right, and center. Oh, day. New levels and entities are coming soon. Stay tuned, and you bet your ass I will be there. God lord, that last part was just me absolutely focusing 100% on like everything that was going on to try and make it, because I felt like I was getting jumped left, right, and center. Of course, my laptop is shit, so obviously the lag on the water didn't help at all. But got it in the end. I'm finished, bro. I'm fucking gone, bro. Goodbye.